Alright, let's start drawing our Thanksgiving turkey. First, we're going to make a triangle-like shape. It's going to be an upside-down triangle. So, we'll make like a curved triangle. Now, we'll make this part into a beak. So I'll add a line over here and 2 dots. Maybe I'll make these a little bit bigger. Now we'll make our turkey's eyes. I'll add 2 little ovals at the bottom of her face. Now we'll make our turkeys like a little part. I forgot what it's called, but that red part where the beak is. Time to make the neck. Little zigzags. Now we'll add the body. So for the body, we're gonna cut off a few parts because we're gonna make the wings overlapping. So I'll add a little curve on each side for the wings. And we'll make 3 bumps as we go along to make the wings. And we'll connect this in. And we'll do the same thing on this side. It's okay if both of the wings are not the exact same. And then we'll connect it. Now, as we did for the top, we're going to leave a little gap here and we'll start making the legs. We'll add 1 line coming down and zigzags to connect it. I'll add 1 more and then we'll make a parallel line coming down with it. We'll add 3 bumps, 3 elongated bumps, and then we'll pretend that this line is going under the foot and we'll make that. Make sure you still leave a little gap over here for the other foot. Make another line, zigzags, and another line, and 3 bumps. It's the exact same as we did for this side. And again, the toes don't need to be the same as the one on the other side. Now we'll make our turkey's little wings, the feathers popping out of its back. We'll add little curves across the back of our turkey. Maybe I'll add 1 over here, and we'll add some in the back. It'll make it look like the turkey has more wings. Now we're gonna add little designs at our turkey's feathers. So we'll add little lines to separate the colored spots from the normal spots. So these lines I'm making, I'll add orange and yellow to the feathers on that part. Now our turkey's done, and it's time to color her.